Hello there, my name is Philaxty, and this is a tutorial on how to sell stuff on Steam. Yes, I've gotten that pathetic into tutorials. Anyways, do you like my new haircut? That's besides the point. This is how you make money off of Steam. Like, have you ever wanted to get paid by playing video games? Well, there are some games that will literally pay you for doing this. I get paid off of Killing Floor. I get paid 3 cents. 3 cents every mission I do, and I get these things called the tickets or something. So, I'm not going to sell them quite. Actually, I'm going to sell this one just to show you guys, but I want to sort of save them up because they're limited time, and I sort of want to, keep them so I can sell them for more later. Anyways, so yeah, like playing games, like Killing Floor is really fun. You get paid these things every time. No. So the first step is you just go to your inventory. You go down to the sell button. It's at the very bottom. Press on that. It asks you the price. I put in 5 cents. There is tax, so I only got 3 cents from this. But I mean, if you want, you can sell it for more, but bad chance of people buying it. So yeah, you just agree to the terms, whatever it says. I didn't read it. And then you press put it up for sale, and then there you go. You have something up. I really hope I didn't give away any passwords for mine, because I don't really want people looking at my stuff. Yeah, this is for anybody that likes to make money off of Steam. This is a perfect way of doing that. Even though you don't get very much, it is still a tremendous way of getting money through Steam. Thank you for watching this video. I probably have some clips of Killing Floor in there just to entertain you guys a little bit, just about the game that I'm selling away, So yeah, that's me playing, by the way. So yeah, if you want more of these videos, comment down below. This is fun. This is only like 3 minutes long, I think, which is really good. So yeah, subscribe for more and press that like button if I helped you. Actually, don't subscribe until you sell something. That's a good idea, right? If you don't sell anything, then don't subscribe to me. Actually, you should subscribe anyways. It'll help you sell stuff. So have fun selling all your stuff on Steam and getting rich off of it. 3 cents at a time. Anyways, bye everybody.